Welcome back to the Awesome Agents podcast. Today we are talking about something that honestly keeps me up at night.
Oh no, what now?
AI agents with credit cards. Visa, Mastercard, Stripe, and Google are all racing to build the pipes that let AI spend your money.
Right, and this is not hypothetical anymore. Transactions are already happening. DBS Bank in Singapore ran authenticated agent purchases. Mastercard processed its first on-network agentic transaction last quarter.
Okay, so walk me through the landscape, because I counted 4 different protocols and my head is spinning.
So it basically splits into two camps. Visa and MasterCard are bolting agent support onto their existing card networks. They already process trillions a year, so the pitch is, hey merchants, just add this layer on top of what you already use.
That makes sense. Why build something new when you already own the rails?
Exactly. Visa has this trusted agent protocol, which is basically a digital passport for AI bots. Over 100 partners onboarded globally. MasterCard has Agent Pay with dynamic tokens that change every transaction and carry embedded spending rules.
Okay, and then on the other side?
Stripe and OpenAI built an open source protocol called ACP. It uses single use payment tokens. And here's the thing, it already powers instant checkout inside ChatGPT. You can buy from Etsy without leaving the chat right now.
Wait, that is live? Today?
Live today, and they are about to add over 1 million Shopify merchants.
And Google?
Google went the open standard route. Their protocol is payment agnostic cards, bank transfers, even crypto. They donated the underlying A2A protocol to the Linux Foundation with 150 plus backers.
So we have 4 protocols from 4 massive companies. That sounds less like innovation and more like a standards war.
That is exactly what it is. And the history here is not encouraging. NFC, mobile wallets, QR codes, payment standards wars take years to sort out. Meanwhile, merchants pay to integrate with each one separately.
And those costs just get passed to us, the consumers.
Every time. But here is what I think the article nailed. Everyone is framing this as a convenience story. Your AI saves you time, finds better deals, but follow the money.
Go on.
Era. Visa and MasterCard collect interchange fees on every transaction. Stripe takes a cut of every payment. Google funnels purchases through surfaces where it sells ads. OpenAI just launched ads in ChatGPT.
So the real prize is not processing the payment.
The real prize is the data. When your AI agent buys something, the company running that transaction sees your full purchase intent in context, what you wanted, when, how much you would pay. That is more valuable than advertising data.
That is a pretty uncomfortable thought. What about consumers? Are people actually ready for this?
Only 24% of US consumers say they would be comfortable letting an AI make a purchase today, and 83% have concerns about privacy and data misuse.
So the industry is projecting trillions by 2030, but 3/4 of people are not even on board yet.
Right, and there is a fraud problem nobody has solved. AI agents transacting at odd hours across geographies with rapid purchases, that looks exactly like a fraud bot to existing detection systems.
And I imagine actual bad actors are already figuring out how to exploit this.
Visa's own threat analysis says fraudsters are setting up fake merchants specifically designed to trick AI shopping agents. The security is being built while the system is already running.
That feels like building the parachute after you jump out of the plane.
Pretty much. MasterCard's CEO said trust is the prerequisite, which is honest, but it is also admitting the biggest problem is not solved yet.
So what should people watching this space actually take away?
I think the key insight is do not get distracted by the convenience pitch. The real question is who controls the infrastructure between every buyer and every seller? That is the trillion-dollar question, literally.
Whoever owns those rails owns the future of commerce. Maya, thanks for breaking that down. Folks, links to the full article in the show notes. We will see you next time on the Awesome Agents podcast.